What's up everyone, welcome to another video here in the channel, and we're gonna unbox these Matchbox from the service line from the series. It has a blue little tag on the corner of these new cards that we got for this year. On my left we have the GMC school bus. In the center we have the MBX Flatbed King. And on my right we have a 2013 Ford Cargo in blue. Awesome. I think I've seen this one in blue as well. I need to look for that one. I think I have it. No, I'm not too sure. So let's start with the Ford. Look at the card. I like the backgrounds. You know, the new card on it. Very cool. There it is. 2013 Ford Cargo. I'm not too sure if it's 37 out of 125. Who knows? Let me know in the comments if you guys know. So there it is. There's the card. Let's see the model, the die-cast vehicle. Let's check it out. Free it. There you go. So you can put another piece in the back. I hope right there. It has a tire, you know, embedded in the design as well. You got the side, everything that a regular truck has. Bottom black. There you have the front. You got the Ford logo stamped on there, painted. You got the lights also painted in the bottom. You got a little bit of blue in that grill, in the black part of the bottom piece, and the wheels, you know, like a dark gray. Awesome. Dark tinted windows. You can't see inside. Just painted black, and there you have it. Awesome. I really wanted some of these trucks, you know, cargo trucks, to have a variety as well to play around with my son. Next up, MBX Flatbed King in red. Let's take it out. There you go. In red, I like that, the details on the truck. Also, it has the windshields painted black. You can't see into them. These have chrome rims, also gray bottom, and it has this little feature where you can, you know, expand the bed down, so you can put another car on it. So if we just see it here, there we go, down. Let's get this truck, this Ford Ranchero. There you go. So that's how that one would be. Awesome, very cool. Something for the kiddo. I think you'll like it, and also for display. This is, I like these vehicles that have hitch other cars on them. You can use it for different things. It's cool. That's why I kind of got it. There you go. The car's back down. Let's park it over here, back to where it was. All right. Let's just keep it expanded there like that. Maybe put this one on top like there. Oh, that's gonna fall. Can we put it on top? There you go. Hey, MBX Flatbed King carrying the 2013 Ford Cargo. So let's keep that there. Let's go with the last one. This one is a very cool model that I like, in my opinion. It's the GMC school bus. The reason why I like it a lot is because it has like the movie theme on it on the side. Let's open it up. Hopefully they have other colors to bring, or maybe this is the only color we're gonna get. But I like it, the blue and all the details on the side. I zoomed it in a little bit more so you can see all the details. It says see a celebrity, and it has the handicap sign for, I guess, the handicap doors that you can, it's like a handicap accessible. It says Michael's Hollywood Tours. Who's Michael? I don't know. And here in the side it says Superstar, and it has another logo. It has some palm trees, some stars, Hollywood themed, like in California. You got the gas tank right there, and over here there's a model number MM50263, which I'm guessing it's the number of the bus. Let's go to the back. Nothing much to see in the back. Awesome. I like this blue with the yellow windows. There is the handicap accessible door, and these doors are very cool. Hopefully, it would be cool if they could open, but can't ask for everything for $1, which these models go for. So you have a little bit of chrome in the bottom, a big strip in the bottom chrome, and then the sides are black, or plastic black. Awesome. I like this one very much. I'm a big movie fan. I love the movies. I love action, comedy, you know, all the any type. It just has to, I have to watch it, and then I have to like the movie. But I'm not too much in a specific genre. But there you go, one of my favorite models from these three. So here they are: the GMC school bus, the MBX Flatbed King, and the 2013 Ford Cargo. Thank you for tuning in. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'll try to comment back as soon as possible, and subscribe if you haven't. Have a good day, y'all. Good luck hunting, and see you another day, tomorrow, another day. Bye.